Alright guys, I'm in Kentucky here on 69 South. I come up on an accident or fire or something, probably an accident. So I just thought I'd do a quick video. As I can get through here, I'm not sure what the deal is. No, there's blue lights in the southbound lane and red lights, flashing lights in the northbound, so we'll see what's going on. Well, everybody just get the hell going instead of freaking rubbernecking. Gotta see what the hell's going on.
I think you can. I'm pretty sure you can. I believe I sent you a link again. It's the YouTube messenger.
Like a tractor and trailer rollover or a horse trailer or something.
Yes, it just says, sound like well or red or
I think it's tractor and trailer in the median.
Don't have this page right here. Grabbing Pennsylvania trucker 2 and Pennsylvania trucker 1. If you don't have a grab, he's a good guy. He's an American truck driver. He does coast to coast truck.
Alright, let's see what's going on now.
He doesn't care what the load is or where it's going. He'll haul it from one spot to another. And he'll make sure it gets to its destination in time, just in case it is going overseas.
The truck must have been going south and thinking they must have collided with another truck or something. Not sure what the deal is. Oh, you know what company it is yet.
Yeah, so he says, got your truck and cheers. GSL. Yo, I barely.
See debris laying in the roadway.
My birthday. GSL.
Must have just happened recently. I mean, fire company cops are here with no records. Messed that truck and trailer all up.
Yeah, but Johnny out of grace. Hey.
Watkins Express Freight INC. Damn. There's another truck up here that's probably involved in it, looks like. Yeah, that truck was definitely, he had to have gotten rear-ended. And there you have it. I-75 at the 48 mile marker. 2 trucks involved, 2 tractor trailers. Hey, y'all have a good day, and like and subscribe to my page. God bless you.